Hi, my name is Chetna and today I'll be teaching you how to make a thermometer chart in Excel. So let's get started. Here I have taken the sales of a bakery for different months. We'll start off by taking the sum of sales for the January and hit enter. We will copy this formula down. This is the target sales for different months and this is the sales percentage. Sales percentage is nothing but the ratio of actual sales to the target sales. We'll copy this one down. Our chart will be inserted on the basis of the sales percentage and this total percentage. Go to the insert tab and from here take a clustered 2D column chart. As you can see that we have not added the months yet. So in order to add months, right click on the chart and click on select data. Here from this edit button, select the range of cells containing months and hit OK. Since these months have been added to the chart now, we will remove the chart title, grid lines and the legend keys. This will make our chart look much cleaner than before. The next step is to add a secondary axis. In order to do that, right click on the chart and click on change chart type button. From here, choose a combo chart and make sure that both the data series are represented using the clustered column chart. Make sure that you select the secondary axis for the sales percentage. Now click OK and you will see that a secondary axis has been added to the chart that is representing a scale for our sales percentage. By now, the minimum and the maximum value of both the vertical axis is automatic. So if we change anything in the sales percentage, like here I am adjusting it to 2% and hit enter, you will see that this secondary axis representing the scale for sales percentage updates. So whenever there is change in any percentage value, this axis is updating itself and we don't want that to happen. We want a fixed value. So in order to do that, select the axis and from here in the axis options, set the minimum value to 0 and the maximum value of percentage to 1 and hit enter. Now both of these values have been removed from the automatic values. Do the same procedure for the secondary axis. Now our maximum and minimum values are fixed. The next step is to add the thermometer in our chart. Go to the insert and take a shape of rectangle. Take one more shape, that is an oval shape. Hold down the shift key in order to get a perfect sphere. Hold down the shift key again to select both of the shapes and in the shape format tab, align both of the shapes to the center and group them into one shape. Now this is a one shape representing a thermometer. We can format it from the shape fill and choose the desired color. Remove the border for our shape and set it to no outline. Copy this shape pressing Ctrl C and click on the data series representing the sales percentage and press Ctrl V. This inserts our thermometer into the chart. Now do the same thing for the total percentage represented by blue bars, but we need a something different shape for that. In order to format this one for the total percentage, set the shape fill to no fill and the shape outline must be similar to the thermometer we added earlier. For the circle, you need to remove both the shape fill, no fill and shape outline to no outline. Copy this whole figure by pressing Ctrl C. Select the orange bars and press Ctrl V. Now that we have inserted our thermometers, we can remove this. The next step is to make sure that these thermometers are not stretched according to their magnitude they are representing. So in order to adjust their scaling, select the data series, go to the fill and from here choose this option which is stack and scale width. Make sure that this is set to 1. what it will do, it will make sure that these thermometers are not stretched as per their magnitude. Repeat the same procedure for the total percentage. Set the gap width for both of the data series. Now you can see that both of the data series are perfectly overlapping each other. We can remove this axis by simply selecting it and pressing the delete key. Repeat the same for this one, press the delete key. And here you can see a solid line on the chart right above the axis labels. In order to remove that, you can select it, go to the Format tab, click on Shape Outline and set it to No Outline. This line has been removed now. The next thing we can do is to add the data labels for our chart. Click on here the plus icon, select the data labels to delete it. We need to format our this data label series because this is representing the total percentage, but we want the actual sales percentage. So in order to do that, select the data labels and from here in the label options, click on value from cells. Select the range of cells that contain your data labels value, which is sales percentage. Hit OK. You can remove the value by unmarking the checkbox for value and go to the Home tab and press this bold button to bold your data labels and set the font color to a darker version. So yes, we are done with the chart. Thank you for coming. See you in the next video.